As Mother Teresa said, yesterday has gone, tomorrow has not come yet. We have only today. Let's begin. Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, Namaskar to all of you. Today, I Kartik Yadav from class 7 Chanakya on the behalf of my class. Let me take the big opportunity to begin our assembly by remembering all the mighty God.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Namaskar to one and all present here. Today, I, Angel Agarwal, am standing before you to present the thought of the day. And the thought of the day is, the purpose of the life is to live it, to taste the experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for newer and richer experience. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Namaskar everyone, my name is Mitansh Kanpal and today the thought of the day is don't read success stories, you will get only a message. Read failure stories, you will get some idea to get success. Thank you everyone.
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं काव्या मल्होत्रा कक्षा 7 की छात्रा एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। इसका शीर्षक है जिंदगी का हर पल भरपूर जियो। ये जिंदगी है सबसे खूबसूरत तोहफा, इसे खुलकर जीने का ना छोड़ना कोई मौका। खुश रहो और खुशियाँ बांटते चलो, जिंदगी का हर पल भरपूर जियो। जो बीत गया वो कल था, आने वाला भी कल है। इस कल की चिंता में अपने आज के सुकून को ना गवाओ। जिंदगी का हर पल भरपूर जियो। उतार चढ़ाव जिंदगी का हिस्सा है, हमें अपनी गलतियों से सीखकर आगे बढ़ना है। जानो क्या है सपने तुम्हारे, कितने पूरे हुए कितने बाकी हैं उन अधूरे सपनों को पूरा करो, खुशियाँ संजो और ज़िंदगी का हर पल भरपूर जियो। इस ज़िंदगी में कितनी भूमिकाएं निभाते हैं हम। अपना मुकाम हासिल कर दूसरों के लिए प्रेरणा बनो, ज़िंदगी का हर पल भरपूर जियो। ज़िंदगी एक खूबसूरत सफ़र है, प्यार और भाईचारे को अपना हमसफ़र चुनो। सबको जिंदा दिली से जीने की राह दिखाओ, ज़िंदगी का हर पल भरपूर जियो, ज़िंदगी का हर पल भरपूर जियो।
Namaskar, my name is Jheelpal. I study in class 7 Chanakya. Today I am going to perform some steps to practice breath meditation. It will help you to live in the present moment. So let's begin. First, fold your legs and keep them on one another. Then make your hands like this and keep them on your knees. Then close your eyes and start breathing. Start breathing normally. Focus on your breath. Focus on how it feels and how it sounds. When you start focusing on your breath, you actually forgot about everything and just focus on your present moment. This will also improve your concentration and will help you more to live in the present moment and forget about the past and future. In between, your mind will start thinking about the future, but concentrate on your breath and you will come to the topic again. Continue this until your meditation is over. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone. Today I, Bhumi Yadav, a student of grade 7 Chanakya, is here to present a video which will let us know the 5 poses that helps us to feel the inner self. The first pose is Vrikshasana. The second pose is Veerbhadrasana. The next asana is Bhujangasana. The next asana is Uttaka Asana. And the last one, that is Uthit Padmasana.
Namaskar everyone, my name is Misty Agarwal. I study in grade 7 Chanakya. Today I am going to tell you a way by which you can live in present moment. The way is reciting mantras. A mantra is a sound that could be sacred in nature, that could be consist of a word or a several words. Now the most basic mantra is Om or Om chanting. Now I will perform some steps to perform Om chanting. First, you will sit in Padmasan, take a long breath and release it by saying Om. By doing this once in a day, you will feel relaxed and it quiets the mind. Thank you.
Many spirits talk about the human tendency to spend too much time outside the present moment. We have spent our most of the time wake up not thinking what we are doing. I have some ways of how to be present. Breathing meditation. This is an easy way to find relax from overthinking is watching the breaths and the sensation of the body. Focus on what right in front of you. Just look at what right in front of you now. Listen to the sound around you or feel a fabric of your clothes. Focus on how they feel. Listening closely to world. This helps to overcome the fear of talking of people by listening closely to what people have say, and you basically shift your attention from your thoughts to the person speaking. By regular doing these exercise makes our mind quiet and calmer.
Namaskar, my name is Jeerpal. I study in class 7 Chanakya. Today I am going to tell you a method by which you can live in the present moment. The way is waiting for your next thought. Now I will perform some steps that you can bring in your own meditation practice.
First, sit up straight, somewhere comfortable and free from distractions. Then place your hands on your knees. Begin by breathing deeply 4 times. This should bring your awareness to your breath and start to center you. After these 4 breaths, let your natural breathing rhythm return and continue to observe the rising and falling of your breath. Once still, ask yourself, what is my next thought? And then focus observing whatever arises next. Watch your thoughts and note their existence and repeat the question again. Repeat the same until your session is over.
Thank you.
Oh, what a wonderful performance by everyone. So here we come to end our assembly. Let's live your life to the fullest. Every day offers you a ton of opportunity. Seize the opportunity and change your life. Fight your fear. Change forwards. If you want to crave your destiny, you will got to seize the days. Carpet DM. Have a nice day. Thank you.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता